Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a cookies and cream Pizookie, and this is perfect for gatherings any time of the year. My hubby is obsessed with Oreos and his favorite ice cream flavor is cookies and cream. So when I made this cookies and cream Pizookie, he was very pleased. It has a warm and gooey center topped with lots of ice cream, and it's the best combo ever. So let's get started. Begin by crushing 15 Oreos. You could use regular Oreos or you can use double stuffed like I'm using today. You can either give it a rough chop over a cutting board or crush them in a resealable Ziploc bag like so. Just make sure the cookie pieces are still kind of chunky. In a 10-inch oven-safe skillet, melt 2 sticks of butter over medium heat. After the butter has completely melted, remove from heat and add in 3/4 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Stir to combine. What I really love about this recipe is that there's no electric mixers involved, just stir everything right into the pan. Easy peasy. Transfer the pan to the fridge and refrigerate for about 15 minutes. You want to allow the mixture to cool, because if we stir in the eggs while it's hot, we'll end up with scrambled eggs. Stir in 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything until it's well combined. Stir in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 3.4-ounce package of instant vanilla pudding mix. I remember the first time I ever had a Pizookie was at BJ's restaurant, and it was love at first bite. Seriously, whoever thought of making a giant skillet cookie and adding ice cream on top is a genius. Stir in 2 cups of flour, 1 cup at a time. Don't forget to watch until the end to see my kids' reaction to the taste test. Once the first cup is well incorporated, stir in the second cup. The cookie dough will start to thicken up at this point. Fold in 1 cup of white chocolate chips. Lastly, gently fold in the broken Oreo pieces. You want to do this gently because you don't want to completely crush them. Gently push it down so that the bottom is completely covered with cookie dough. It gets a little messy, but that's okay. Just get a wet paper towel and wipe the rim of the pan. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees and bake for 33 minutes. This is best served warm, so what I like to do when I'm having company is I prep it beforehand, put it in the oven while we're having dinner, and by dessert time, this delicious warm Pizookie is ready for you. You want to allow it to cool at least 7 to 10 minutes before serving. The Pizookie should be nice and golden on top and have a warm, soft, and gooey center. Now you can either top this with some vanilla ice cream, but I thought why not go all the way with some cookies and cream ice cream. Seriously, I wish you can taste this through the camera. It's the bomb. Cheers!
Yes.
So good. Your bite is too big. Like it, Bradley? Yummy?
Yay.
Yay! I want more. We're messy. You guys didn't like it, huh?
Yeah, we didn't like it. We hated it. It was so bad.
So bad you ate it all, right? Don't forget to check out all my other simple and easy desserts. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.